This is a review of the Recoil Executive personal camera. The Recoil Executive has been designed for those requiring a discreet personal protection solution, from delivery drivers to personal tutors or regular commuters. It's got a 180-degree rotatable lens, allowing for different mounting and wearing options. It's got a built-in 2200 mAh lithium-ion battery, offering a potential 10-hour battery life. And it also supports high-definition video recording up to 1080p Full HD with a huge 160-degree angle view, motion detection and loop recording features. It supports up to 128GB micro SD card, and there's a free 32GB included. Okay, and here you'll find the Recoil Executive instruction manual, which will take you through how to use the camera, all of the different functions, and any information you might need. Then you'll find the camera itself, obviously 180-degree lens, rotatable camera, so on a bike perhaps you could be shooting there and be viewing on the screen. You can flip it around this way and you can clip it onto your clothes, and you can be recording front facing or rear facing if you flip it around. In the box you'll also find a 32GB micro SD card kit and your USB charging lead, which is micro USB to USB-A. Turn the camera on, it might need a charge. You see the Recoil logo, and here we can see a full 180-degree. It will prompt you to put in your SD card, which is really easy to do. In here there's a slot for a micro SD card. Insert that like so, and it should click in. Right, so this blue light means it's recording. A couple of buttons on the side. This is for save, this is for play, previous / volume up, and next / volume down when playing back the recordings. The lock button will lock the camera so the screen is off and you can only see that blue light flickering, which indicates that you're recording. Okay, so here we've actually got it recording. You can see the set here, you can see the instruction manual and the view of the recording. 1080p HD lens. To save, start up here and it will save. And then obviously you can open up, take your SD card out, and you're able to view the files on your computer. You can flip the camera around and it can be shooting anywhere you angle it. Flip the camera completely around and it'll be recording the other way again. Once you finish recording a video, you can click save, which is down there. Then you can play back the video with the functions here. Turn volume up, you can turn volume down. And flip up again for record, and you can record. The up button here can toggle regular mode and night mode, so even in no light conditions you can still record and get an idea of the picture. Turn off, you hold that button. Turn up the exposure. If you go back, you can go to format and you can format your card if you wish to do so. You can change the language, auto power off, but you can switch it to 1 minute to 3 minutes. You can turn the display off after 5 minutes, and the recording indicator, you can turn that on or off. And obviously option 14 you can reset to your default settings. Pull down to turn on. You can either click up or click the play button and you're recording. Whenever you've finished recording, swipe down halfway to save, and then you can view your recording here. Up here is the dictaphone mode, where you can slide that up and you can be audio recording. Slide that down to save. Hold the menu button. You can change your video resolution, 1080p Full HD, 1080p or 720p. Photo resolution. Change your date and time. Motion detect off. Loop recording 5 minutes. You can just go into all of these and change all of the settings, like so.